I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Jumping right into the market today in crypto. Banging Bitcoin. We talked about this morning, about 10, 12 hours ago. Bitcoin needed to pull back and retest for some strength for the next move higher. Let's see what happened. Banging. You had this perfect retest. Perfect. Let me show you real quick. So on Twitter, I broke it down. I talked about this exact idea, which I drew on YouTube. Perfect retest. This is it right here, retest. All right, so if I go over, you see how this wick came all the way down and tested this area, tested this resistance, which is now support. Banging, huge move to the upside. This is called a retest. If you learn how to trade these retests and understand all the buyers are sitting right there, your life changes forever, period. Most people don't understand this basic concept. The strongest group of buyers is sitting right here. They're trained to buy right here. We got this breakout move to the upside. Now, Bitcoin is forming a rising wedge. 68% chance this breaks to the downside. However, I drew this trend line, this dotted trend line here, and it's broken above that with some volume. So there's a 68% chance this does break to the downside. However, you can still get a bounce in the mid-range and continuation to the upside, but it almost looks like this is following this parabola. When these break higher, you get parabolic price rises. At some point, it's quite possible if Bitcoin can break 42,250 that you're looking at 44,500, right? So let's get there. Let's get here. And let's get here. Now, if it falls, you're just loading up on altcoins back here. I mean, this has to hold, obviously. But it's pretty amazing to see what type of day we had out of Bitcoin. And the only reason I'm watching Bitcoin is know which altcoins to trade. And I gave you a banger this morning. We're going to talk about that. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, he says, you have no idea. Everything you taught me about crypto has made me millions of dollars. So he had a medical supply company. It went public, and then he made millions more because of his trading and in the trading group. He bought this McLaren. This is an example of what the McLaren looks like with the doors that go up from what he learned in the trading group. This person made $60,000 in 2 weeks. This person, shout out to Rob in the group, posted a setup, and this person was up $1,600. Listen, I'm going to continue running the New Year's special, 60% off, plus $100 discount. Make sure, change your life. New Year's resolution, get rich in crypto. If you're interested in joining my cryptocurrency trading group, go to my website, cryptorev.net. If you pay with cryptocurrency for 6 months or 12 months, it's 50% off. If you pay for the year, you get 1 additional month for free. You can always choose to pay on a monthly basis from month to month with a card. Just click this link. Or if you go down to the description, you can click this link to the website. If you have any questions or you need to email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. We'll get you on the team today. So we talked about the Fed raising the rates. They did raise the rates 25 basis points, and it's going to continue. However, the market didn't react badly, because it fell within what the market thought. The Fed was going to raise rates 25 basis points. That's on the low end. Also, Ukraine came out today and they legalized Bitcoin. It was signed into law by the president in the virtual assets bill. Signed into law, Bitcoin, banging. Earlier today, I gave you guys sand. I said, hey, there's a ton of news on this. They partnered with HSBC, a huge bank in Europe. And I said, retest is the best entry. Sand, USDT, banging. You got this retest and then 16% gains in a day out of a large cap. You throw some leverage behind this and you made 50, 60, 70% just on a little bit of leverage. Banging. Sand, Metaverse. And I've got a Metaverse gem pick for you at the end of the video, ready to bang. XRP Ripple comes out with Wells Fargo, and they announced a system. They're partnering, Ripple's partnering with Wells Fargo. They're collaborating on a Swift replacement. So the idea is there's a system that's known as a real-time payments service. This is going to facilitate real-time transfer of digital currency between accounts at Wells Fargo. So Wells Fargo online service agreement has been shared, and the details basically show how this challenges SWIFT dominance, right? So again, they have been training on a SWIFT replacement, and the agreement that mentions XRP is right here, real-time payments. Huge partnership. Now, XRP, we nailed this trade. We were sitting here, news came out. I mean, it's only up 5%, but you got this complex inverse head and shoulders, and you could see, I mean, it's a pretty big partnership. Now, keep in mind that right now, this is right below all the sellers, all the sellers, all the sellers, all the sellers. So a breakout here would be very pivotal to some upside. So at this point, it would be buy the breakout at this level at about 80 cents. You want to get to 90 cent XRP, you got to break 80 cents. And then near looks good, juicy setup here. This is buy the breakout. So when you get these triangles, these bull pennants, when they break to the upside, where this is a bullish pennant, so it occurs in an uptrend, and uptrend continuation is probable, highly probable. So as long as Bitcoin cooperates, if Bitcoin pulls back, then you'll get a chance to enter an aggressive buy down here at the lower trend line. These triangles have an apex, and these are real good because you know this thing is going to break out over the next 10 days. But keep an eye on near. This thing goes parabolic when it moves. Keep an eye on near. NAKA, today's gem pick banger on Kucoin. Sand, a metaverse project, has been hot. NAKA is metaverse GameFi. They have the NAKAverse. They have so much going on, and you've got this triple bottom. 1, 2, 3. If this thing breaks out, actually it looks like it's broken out and retested, you could see 43 cents, 46 cents, 48 cents, even 50 cents out of NAKA based on this idea. I mean, essentially there's a falling wedge in here, right? Measured move is right in this area. So again, NAKA, key to watch. Now, understand, NAKA, play to earn blockchain games. This is the future. Join the revolution. They have a ton of games. Look at all the games they have stacked up and ready to go, right? Play to earn, working product, very popular in the future. And now they have the NAKAverse. So they announced that NAKA is going to go multi-chain, which this person says can't be any more bullish. They're going multi-chain gaming. They have NAKA Strike tournaments starting soon where you win $10,000. And then NAKAverse, this is Nakamoto Games' own metaverse, and represents a real-world economy. You can buy virtual land, just like in Sand, banging. NAKA. Virtual land, you can use the land's raw materials to produce in-game goods, build houses, and start others. So essentially, you can stake the NAKA. By having the land, you're able to, again, produce the raw materials to build and create more wealth. Also, they just announced 25% annual percentage yield staking for 90 days. And again, NAKAverse is ready to bang on Kucoin. So keep an eye on this. NAKA booming. Watch. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.